Blue Sky Bio Multi-Unit Abutments. The Blue Sky Bio multi-unit abutments provide a number of benefits when restoring complex cases and should always be used when creating a splinted full arch restorations such as hybrid dentures or bar overdentures. Multi-unit abutments raise the restorative platform from the implant level up to the tissue level, which can correct variable tissue depths and make it easier to verify passive seating of components. Secondly, multi-unit abutments allow for angle correction between very divergent implants. It is very difficult to achieve a passive path of draw with splinted implants that are restored at the implant level. Placing multi-unit abutments will correct the angulation, allowing for a passive path of draw. Finally, by raising the restorative platform away from the bone level, it will protect the crestal bone and soft tissue attachments and minimize micro-leakage at the implant level. Straight multi-unit abutments can be used in most cases where the implants are in a relatively vertical configuration. These are available in 1.5 mm and 3.0 mm heights and are torqued down using the .080 hex driver rather than a traditional screwdriver. They should be torqued to 30 Newton-centimeters. Ideally, the platforms of the multi-unit abutments should be relatively parallel to one another and at the same tissue height. To correct the angulation of an implant, an angled multi-unit abutment should be used. These are available in 17 degrees and 30 degrees of angle correction. When trying to decide which to use, it is helpful to attach the angled multi-unit abutment delivery aid tool to the upper platform. Try in the abutment and evaluate whether the various multi-unit abutments are now parallel. If more angle correction is necessary, then attach the delivery aid to a 30-degree angled MUA and try it in. Once the correct angled MUA has been identified, it should be torqued to 30 Newton-centimeters using the regular hex driver. Now that the multi-unit abutment platforms are parallel, they are ready to restore.